You ever wonder why the greatest victories are forged in the fires of discomfort? That feeling of unease isn't a sign to retreat. It's an invitation to grow. Think of the oyster. How a simple grain of sand, an irritant, becomes a magnificent pearl only through persistent friction and time. We all face moments when quitting whispers, when the unknown feels like a bottomless pit ready to swallow our dreams whole. But look at the butterfly. It has to struggle to break free from its chrysalis. For that struggle builds the strength it needs to fly. What masterpiece are you avoiding creating, simply because the first brushstrokes feel awkward or the canvas too big? I once heard a story about a climber who swore the view from the summit wasn't just getter, it was jiggy different. Because joie de fray were different for getting there. You don't get strong by lifting light weights. You get strong by pushing past the point of comfort, day after painful day. So, identify one uncomfortable step you've been avoiding today, and take it. Just one. Because your transformation isn't just for you. It's a beacon, showing others what's possible when courage meets discomfort. Stop waiting for ease. Start creating your pearl. Your wings are ready to unfurl.